What's going on, guys? So today I will show you what I did with the turbo because it's an internal wastegate and I'm running external wastegate, and I just wanted to revamp it. Some simple but effective. Also, I started the downpipe. Like I said, this is a budget build, so at one point I ran out of bands, so I just did like 1,000 pipe cuts down there. But it looks good, everything fits perfect. It was a little bit tight, but it worked out great. So also stopped by KLM and did a little walking around the shop and seeing all the cutting edge technology they got. Lucky to have him like 5 minutes from my house, so every time I need something I just stop by, buy it right there and then. And they got all the go fast parts, so KLM RACE, guys, go check them out. Great friends of mine, they're great people too, so let's get into it. To cap this, easiest way is I have some 1/4" steel that I'm gonna use to cut my cap, and then you just gotta go in the size of your cap with a drill bit, like a step drill bit, but don't go all the way through. Just go the size of the metal that you're using to cap it, and it will look kind of like this. So when you put your cap in there, it will sit on the bottom part, on the bottom lip. It won't go all the way through, and then you have a bevel around it that you can fill up with weld too. Same thing, cardboard, kind of like the same size on it. It should go in there like that. Now we're gonna pull it out and make it out of steel. I got my piece cut. Let's try it on. Probably need some adjustment. Almost. And it should go right in there. If you measure it right, it should be just like this. That's it. Yep. Now we can weld it, and that's capped. Alright, so I'm not the best welder in the world, but I mean, it looks hot. Made 2 passes on it. Ooh, still kind of hot. So now we just put a V-band on this side, and that's it. This is what we end up with. I was gonna put the V-band right here, but bolts were kind of on the way and brackets, so I had to add a piece of pipe to it. Now it won't hurt nothing. Oh no, it's ghetto. Don't judge me. Like I said, it's a budget build.
We ain't about to go and spend money just to flex on it. We ain't really got a liar.
Had to do a bunch of pie cuts on this one because I didn't have any more bends. And I wasn't trying to wait for any. So it goes back to exhaust, but what are you doing here, bro? You trying to help me? But okay, so I'm at exhaust cutoff right here, and then the flex that's coming out, and then just run a full exhaust. Now I'm still debating if I use a boost activated one or an electronic one where I can open it up with the fuel tank when I hit like full throttle or whatever. I don't know. I'm still debating on that. We'll see. Okay, now I'm just gonna finish the flex connected to the exhaust, and this whole thing is coming out, going onto the motor. I gotta mount the transmission on that motor too, because that's where the bracket is mounted, so I can finish building the manifold. And the motor is coming in here again in the meantime while this one gets fixed, and then we can start testing. Now the wastegate is gonna be at 44 millimeters. You're gonna come straight from here, so best position they can be. The wastegate is running into the downpipe, and that's pretty much it for now. So guys, like, subscribe, let me know in the comments what you think, and go check out KLM RACE. They got really cool stuff going on in there, and